Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change LED light mode for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. And basically we have two options how to change it. We can use an application or we can use control. Let's get started by use the application. So you need to go to the SOUNDCORE app. Your speaker should be connected with the application, then you need to tap on it and go to the light at the bottom. And right here we have all LED light modes, so you need to tap at the best one for you. And now, as you can see, we change it. You can also use ambient light, it's up to you. Okay, now how to change it using application, using control. At the top we have sunny icon and you need to press one time, and now look at this, that I change this LED light modes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.